Welcome Wolfpack to another SCUM University update. This one's going to be quick. It's a quick update of the few changes that occurred in our engineering skill video that was released on January 13th, 2020. These changes occurred due to the hotfix that was released on Monday, January 20th, 2020. I will leave a link in the description to the original engineering skill video. If you haven't checked that out, watch that first and then come back here and this video will make a lot more sense. Stick around, let's go over the very few but important changes that will make your base building gameplay a lot easier. One of the things that I failed to mention in the engineering skill video, and I actually didn't even know about it, I learned about it from a comment in that video, that the engineering skill is also tied to the ability to clean weapons, just like car repair is. You'll notice that every weapon has a percentage point attached to it, which also affects the accuracy and stability of the weapon. In order to maintain your weapons, you must have a weapons cleaning kit, and then it's as simple as pressing and holding F and hitting the repair button. Now when we pick up the shotgun in our hands, it will be back at 100%. And for these purposes, we repaired the shotgun 5% and we lost 2 uses of that weapons cleaning kit. I can only assume that knives and knife repair is the exact same way and tied to your engineering skill. A shout out to Andy James, who responded to the SCUM University Engineering Skill base building update last week and let us all know about that. Thank you very much, Andy. In last week's video, we showed you how your skill points would increase, but only after the base building component was completed. Now we will receive points in smaller batches as each component is added. I do like this change as the engineering experience points are now distributed among all of the squad members who assist in building each component, not just the one who finishes it. Repairing base elements has also changed, and I think it's for the better. The repair area is no longer visible when repairing individual base components or at that component. Although all components can be repaired individually and each repair has significantly increased in speed, it is now easier to repair multiple elements from our flag, which brings us to our next point. We can bulk repair our entire base within the flag radius by going to our flag and pressing and holding the F to access the menu. In this menu, we can destroy our flag, show our flag radius, and repair our components in increments. We can go 25%, 50%, or 75% or less. The numbers on the right of these increments show us how many components need repair and how many are damaged to that extent. We can also repair all of our components, and it will show us the total number of components in our flag radius. I do like this change and the additional information in the hotfix. I find it especially helpful knowing how many toolboxes you will need to fully repair your base. It's no longer a guessing game. If we have a full red toolbox, we can repair up to 100 base components. Conversely, if we have a limited amount of toolboxes, we can triage our base elements by using this menu to repair the most damaged elements first. You should know that if we use the option to repair all base elements and we do not have enough toolbox uses to complete all repairs, the components will be repaired starting with the most damaged component to the least damaged component as an automatic setting from the game. And finally, trap explosions are now more realistic. Before, components on the opposite side of a wall from an explosion took similar damage, even if the wall nearest the explosion remained intact. Now, block wall components will receive less damage. Quickly, a couple of the other changes. Base flags can no longer be shot and destroyed, nor can they be blown up with explosives or grenades. The only way to destroy a flag is to gain access to it, press and hold F, and destroy the flag. There was also a bug fix. Barbed spike traps can now be destroyed using the F button, pressing and hold, and destroying it. There was a bug before where you could not do this. I also did not go over the barbed spike trap in the previous engineering video. You need 1 plank, 5 nails, and a hammer or a tool to complete that device. It is not lethal, but it will cause damage. The barbed spike trap can also be buried. Very tough to see. In a few seconds, a video explaining the demolition skill will be popping up onto your screen. If you found value in today's video, please smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and set your notifications to all. Drop me a comment below and let us know if there's anything regarding the engineering skill that I have left out. As I said earlier in this video, a viewer taught me something I didn't know in the last engineering video. Don't forget to check out the entire SCUM University version 0.3 update playlist. That link is in the description below. We will see you over in the demolition video.